Calling all soft life God-led baddies. This is All Gems No Crumbs, the podcast where we keep it real, raw, and ridiculously inspiring. I'm your host, Ikenisha J, and if you're a go-getter, faith-filled, purpose-driven woman who's building something big while healing, growing, and glowing, girl, you're in the right place. After taking a full year off social media and still making money, I knew I had to come back and pour into women who are ready to do life and business different without burning out, shrinking themselves, or pretending they've got it all together. This isn't just another basic business podcast. Here, you're going to feel seen, you're going to feel safe, and you're going to walk away inspired. We're talking money moves, obedience, marketing that actually feels good, digital products, healing journeys, feminine power, doing business the God way, and the real behind the scenes of building a brand that actually aligns with your soul. Faith, fire, and strategy all rolled into one. So whether you're on your glow up, healing from heartbreak, or just trying to figure out how to stay consistent, this is your space. And if you're a man, listen anyway. You're going to learn something. Episodes drop every Tuesday. And if you're a boutique owner, stay tuned because Thursdays are episodes just for you. So subscribe now, follow now, and let's glow through what we go through.